So this is a how to set up personalization using Ole Chat, part of the Sitecore Cognitive Services. So what I'm going to do today here is I'm going to demonstrate how to use Ole to set up profiles and score content to help engage your users but do it so in a quick and intuitive way. So right now, imagine a site called Fun Stuff for Kids, and it's intended for our parents to come and find ideas for events and different activities for their kids. I'm going to today focus on this social sharing page, and what I want to do is be able to target readers who are coming to the site and try to get them to engage in social media and share on their account, maybe even contribute something to the site. But the first step is just find out who the readers are and try to get them, push them and nudge them into this community. So I'm going to open up Ole, which is a module that I've installed. It's available here in the toolbar in the Experience Editor, in the Content Editor. It's also in the toolbar in the Experience Editor. It's also full screen from the Launchpad so that you can use it on your mobile device. So I'm going to click this and open it up. It pops up in a modal. And what I can do is just simply ask, how do I set up personalization? So what Sitecore is going to do here is going to offer me a handful of options that I can do to engage with my personalization system. So one of the things here, I can create a profile, I can create a pattern card from that profile, or even a profile card from that profile. I can also score content. I can create goal or assign a goal to a page. So what I want to do is right now is just create this profile and get through the scoring process. So I'm just going to click on this first option. What do I want to name this profile? So I want to name it social. I'm trying to target social users. The profile categories just around social. And what are my keys? And my keys are contributing, reading, and sharing. And these are different facets of the social area of my site and things that I may want to target later. Right now, what I want to do is just capture who the readers are, but I can add more profile cards for the keys later. So now that I've gone through this process, it's going to just make sure that I pick the right name and the right keys. So I've created a profile. So now, again, I'm still new, so I really don't necessarily remember all the options I have available to me. I can go back and I can ask, how do I set up personalization? Well, it never really gets tired of you asking. Here, what I want to do next is create a pattern card. So I have to select a profile to create a pattern from. I'm going to select social. Name my target audience is value for contributing. Now it's going to look through each of the keys that I created for my profile. For contributing, I want 0. Reading, I want 10. And sharing, I want 0. That's correct. I'm going to confirm. Now I've created a pattern card. The next thing I want to do is create a profile card. For the social channel, I'll also name this reading, 0 for contributing, 10 for reading, 0 for sharing. And the last thing I want to do is score content. Select the reading profile. And now what it's trying to do is figure out what content items I want to score. So do I want to select the item by name? And yes, I do. That is called social sharing. I can also select items by template. This will do a search by the template and attach the profile to that, all those pages. I don't want to do that this time. Or select by folder, no. Or by field filter, no. Confirm. And now I've attached that reading profile to one item. So now if I close this and I refresh this social sharing page, I'll notice that over here I have some settings now. And my reading profile card is now attached to my social sharing page. So when visitors come in, they will start building up points to their reading profile. And then I can start to add rules to the componentry on this page and start to show different options for users or promote different things for them. So now I've been able to make very good use of Sitecore's more powerful personalization features, because whereas setting up profiles and keys and scoring content may have taken me a lot longer if I had to go to the documentation or read through a good number of blog posts until I really understood it. Now what I can do is open up and ask a few questions and poke my way through it in about 5 minutes. So hopefully that gives you a really clear idea of the power of what Ole can do, and you'll find a use for it on your own website.